IKEA isn't really a furniture store. It's a psychology experiment you walk through, built to make you spend more than you planned. Notice you can't just grab a lamp and leave. There's one path. A single winding route that pulls you past every single department. Retailers call it the Gruen effect, the moment a shopper forgets what they came for. Now look up. No windows, no clocks, nothing to tell you how long you have been inside. The longer you wander, the more you buy, so the building quietly hides time from you. Then come the fake rooms. Tiny apartments, perfectly styled. You sit on the couch, you open the drawers, and your brain starts to feel like it already owns them. Wanting quietly turns into having. Halfway through, you are tired, so they feed you. Famously cheap meatballs and a near-free hot dog, it is not generosity. A fed, rested shopper stays longer and spends more. The food loses money on purpose. Even the boxes are a trick. Flat pack is cheaper to ship, but there is a bonus. When you build it yourself, you value it more. Psychologists literally named it the IKEA effect. By the exit, bins of cheap little things. Candles, frames, batteries. You have spent an hour saying yes, so a $2 yes feels like nothing. That is where the margin hides. You walked in for one bookshelf. You are leaving with a cart. You did not get lost in that store. You were guided, step by step, by people who studied exactly how you think. The best designs are the ones you never notice. Next time, notice.